Hello friends, just wanted to have you guys take a look real quick at the Hyper 7 as I'm breaking it down. It's going through a couple phases tonight. You guys have been seeing it on the videos running and been having some fun with it. So I've got some other things coming in the mail to get these low-Cs hooked up. So I need to go ahead and tweak up my Hyper 7 and my Savage and my TC3 this weekend and probably Monday, and that way I can get started on the low-Cs and have some fun. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys the completed teardown of the Hyper 7 for the most part, at least everything that I need to do to change out some of the new parts that I've got. So basically it's pretty much fully apart. I have no need to take out the servo tray. I am wondering what that little round thing, plastic piece, is coming off the side. I've never used it and it's not screwed into anything, so I kind of want to take it out. Anyway, that's the only question I have, but yeah, you see, everything's out, and we've got some new stuff going in. New diff casings with new diffs. I'm going to rebuild those. New center diff, new center differential mounts with brakes. I'm going to clean everything up real good, and then we've got some other stuff going on. We're going to change the wing out on it, the gas tank, and the air filter, and I think that's pretty much about it for the most part, so nothing real fancy, but you'll see a difference when it's all put back together. We'll be excited to see what it looks like. Alright guys, see ya. Got some new tires here for the truggy. I got these for 16 bucks, and they're brand new basically. Still have a ton of tread on them, and they still look really good too. So anyway, 16 bucks. Hello friends, just wanted to show you guys how the Hyper 7 was coming along this morning. I was able to get the new center diff mount and brake system installed. That's it right there. I got everything cleaned up. The new diffs are ready to go in. The center diff's already in. So there's the new system and there is the older system. Now I did go with a stock center diff as opposed to the spider because I already have that one. So if I want to use it, I will just pull it out of there and use it. But anyway, there's the old and there is the new. So we got the new center diff mount and brake and cam set. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, let you see what the Hyper 7's looking like after I got most of the new stuff put on it. I'm about to put the new engine and pipe on it, and that should pretty much be the end of it. So as you guys can see, it's nice and cleaned up. It's got new gas tank, new fuel lines, new center diff, new front and rear diff, new center brakes, and of course the new wing. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the way it's looking. I will show you guys what it looks like when I have the new engine and pipe put on here shortly.